Hi, Marnie Bennett again. Welcome back to our series on how do you buy new homes. And you know what? It's so exciting to buy a new home, but you want to make sure, just like when you're buying any property, that you were well informed. Of course, we all get emotionally involved. We get all excited, which is absolutely terrific. So first of all, find the floor plan that you like. Measure it. A lot of virtual tours now can show you through, and they have, they're called 3D dollhouse. They can walk you through all the different things. You can take the dimensions. Some builders have programs that you can take your furniture and place it in there, but you want to ask a lot of questions. First of all, if you're buying new construction, you want to know your rights. So get online on Terryon. Terryon is a government regulated, every builder in Ottawa or in Ontario has to be registered with Terryon. And you have legal rights about deposits and timelines, critical dates, and everything that you're looking at. So first of all, let's say you find the house you want. As I said in an earlier show, is make sure you know exactly what you're buying. Have someone with you that is absolutely well versed, a realtor that understands new construction. Every agreement of purchase and sale for every builder is different. There's no standardization of legal agreements for new housing, unlike when you buy resale. So every builder has their own agreement. So sometimes if you want to buy upgrades, you cannot incorporate it into the purchase price. A lot of builders will want you to pay for the upgrade up front in cash. So you need to find out when you're buying, maybe you want a spectacular kitchen with upgraded, granite or upgraded quartz, or maybe backsplash, or something special in the kitchen with respect to glass cabinets, whatever it may be. You need to find out from the builder, how are you paying for upgrades? Can you incorporate it in the purchase price? Then what you want to be looking at is mortgages. A lot of people think, oh my gosh, my mortgage starts as soon as I buy it. No. A lot of builders may have a builder that they're already or a bank they're already working with. You want to find out how much is it to get the mortgage. Because what you're looking at on new homes, it's a special builder rate, and they call it a cap rate. What it means when you buy new construction, your closing date could be 24 months, a year, 3 years, like we need to find out. And now the banks will give you a rate, at today's rate, but they will have a cap, meaning there's a bit of leverage there, that there is a gap, so you're paying a little more than as if you were closing in 60 to 90 or 120 days. So now what you want to find out is what the rate is. When you're buying and you're filling out an agreement of purchase and sale, always include lawyer review. Make sure that a lawyer is reviewing your agreement of purchase and sale. So again, when you're buying new construction, I'm going to give you another thing on how you talk about critical dates, what we're talking about construction, how long does it take. So stay tuned for our next edition on making sure you get the closing date you want at thebennettpros.com, or give me a call, 233-8606.